So, you spend a lot of time working on chess, playing chess, but struggle to get any progress and feel like you are stuck at your level. Believe me, I definitely get this feeling. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can get a professional chess coaching from the best of the best in the entire industry for just $2.50 per day, so that you can finally make that breakthrough you dream about. What's up, chess player, and welcome to the Journey to Grandmaster, the place where you can improve every single aspect of your chess game. I recently published an interview with one of the best coaches in the world, Jakob Agard. By the way, thank you very much for the feedback. So many people say that's the best chess video they have ever seen. And so I accidentally discovered that Jakob Agard has his own chess academy where you can learn pretty much every day for like less than $2.50 per day. That felt like absolutely impossible for me because like he's so famous. He has written so many incredibly successful books that so many players enjoy, and me personally, it's incredible. I go through his books these days and I enjoy it so much. And so I immediately jumped on this opportunity to try what this academy is, what is inside, and today I want to share it with you because I feel incredibly excited about it. I have been a member of the academy for a couple of months now, and I can share with you my honest opinion, which is, yeah, you can feel it's great, but it's honest anyway, so that you can make your conclusion whether it's something for you or not. First of all, who will be your coaches? Of course, it's Jakob Agard himself. He has a tremendous experience working with the best of the best in the chess world, like Nodirbek Abdusattorov, like Sam Shankland, and he has also an incredible sense of humor. You're gonna enjoy it. So you have these cool lessons which don't feel that overwhelming and you can really enjoy it, but at the same time, it's incredibly useful for your chess growth.
To give a bit of the basic talk, I want to start with here. So it's black to play, not white. If it was white to play, white's to play win, right? Rook takes f2. Aha! Gosh, no, I'm bad.
Next, we have Sam Shankland himself, a super grandmaster, over 2730 peak rating. That is insane to be able to train together with him. So I had a summer camp in the academy with Sam Shankland, and we were calculating the same positions, the same trainings, and he shared his decision-making process with us. We could compare it and, of course, then see the results. I was so happy, you cannot believe it, when there was a puzzle, a very tough one, and Sam Shankland got it wrong and I got it correctly. It was like 2 or 3 times throughout the whole summer camp, but this feeling is amazing. If you get it at least once in a lifetime, you are already more than happy. And in the end of the day, it's not really about the right solutions, because if you solve everything correctly, then apparently it's just too easy for you. It doesn't make a lot of sense. It should be at the end of your comfort zone, so to say, so you constantly improve. And as the puzzles were challenging for Sam himself, like for me, it was incredibly difficult and I got so much. Of course, it's an advanced level camp, and yeah, it's not for beginners, definitely, but don't be discouraged. There are some material for less experienced players as well.
One tempo too fast, as far as I can tell. So here I thought rook d6 or e5 were the critical tries. So in the event of rook d6, I thought we could go f5, and it's close, but I believe black wins, was basically my conclusion.
Coming next, we have so many great coaches here: Ivan Cheparinov, Michael Adams. I mean, those are so great names in the chess industry, in the coaches industry, and you get all of that as a package, so to say, in this chess academy. Next, you have your schedule. So here, for example, are the next lessons available, and you see the list of different grandmasters. And you have the thing which is called the homework club, which is great. It has 2 different levels: the killer homework club for more advanced players and the friendly homework club for less experienced players. And there, the most important thing is you get those tasks every single week and you have time to process it yourself, and then you come to the class and you compare your solutions with the right ones, and you get those explanations by a very experienced coach. And that is incredibly important. First, And I guess this is one of the main advantages of the whole concept of such an academy, and you as being a member of this academy, is the accountability. So that you pay a little bit of money, you go there and you feel like, okay, I am a student, I have to be responsible, I really have to take my time, I really have to make this homework. Because the biggest problem today is that there is so much information. First of all, there is no guarantee of the quality of this information, which you definitely have no problem with in the Killer Chess Training Academy. And secondly, you just don't feel like doing it, right? Because it's all free most of the time, and you are like, okay, I'm too lazy for it, I'm gonna just watch and enjoy. But then as a result, you don't really learn out of it. It's like going to a gym. When you pay a membership, then you feel some responsibility that, okay, now I have to go there and actually perform some training. And that's exactly the same way with the academy, because as a member, you feel some responsibility to go there, to perform the homeworks. And of course, it's great that you still can be incredibly flexible, because all of the lectures are recorded. So I, for example, mostly watch the recordings because, yeah, maybe when it's live, I don't have that much time, or the time zone is not that great for me, even though, yeah, you see that they have different times here completely, so that no matter where you are on the planet Earth, you're gonna have some lessons available for you. If not, there are recordings. You can always enjoy it and post the video just like you do here on Journey to Grandmaster channel to solve those positions and yeah, get maximum result out of that. Before I forget it, I have a special giveaway for you from Killer Chess Training. You can get a completely free chess course from the academy, from one of the best coaches in the world. All you need to do to participate is just hit the like button on this video, write a comment, and be subscribed to Journey to Grandmaster. I wish you all good luck. In 1 week I'm gonna choose the winner. Now let's take a closer look at what their offer is. So, to get such a price, you have to get a yearly subscription. It would be 765 euros per year, or around $850. So that would be less than $2.50 a day. And you can see that you have classes pretty much every day. And on top of that, you have access to a great number of recordings from the previous classes and courses. And so basically you have an unlimited amount of chess training. It's going to be more than enough for you. You don't need anything else. It has different topics there, a little bit of openings, a lot of strategy, positional play, tactics, calculation, endgames. I mean, everything you might imagine to enable you to break through in chess. There is also an interactive part, and this is of course very, very important, and this is the key difference between the academy or buying a chess table course, for example, because here you have direct access to your coaches. For example, during that summer camp with Sam Shankland, I was solving the puzzles with him, then I was writing my solutions in the chat, and we were exchanging the variations. He was asking like, what do you want to do in this variation? And then we were discussing it. And especially in the cases where he was wrong and I was right, it was incredibly great to communicate, to understand what kind of feeling he has about the position. Of course, he's like much better than I am, and in most of the cases he got much better results, which is absolutely normal. But you can learn so much out of it. These direct interactions with world's top coaches is just priceless. On top of that, you have simultaneous exhibitions with the coaches, you have tournaments inside of the academy, you have the discounted price for all of the courses they have to offer, you have the gold membership, yearly gold membership on Chess Tempo completely for free, where you have all of the material that is available in the academy. You can just go through the positions yourself, move the pieces if you don't want to waste a lot of time taking a real board, although I always recommend you do that. But you have all of the variations, like if they're telling you about certain opening, then you can go there and you have the entire database, everything you need to learn and understand that opening. So for example, here you can see the courses that are available for you if you buy the subscription. It's completely free, you don't need to pay anything extra. And yeah, here you can see the homeworks, the recent recordings, just 21 last days, everything that has happened. You can take a look at here if you missed something, and you're good to go. The level practical training from Jakob Agard. I mean, this is so incredible. Practical endgames from Mikhail Alexeyenko, also a really high quality course. Theoretical endgames, I mean, World Championship finalist perspective from Vladimir Akaban. He's telling about his games, his experience, so you can learn so much. Advanced calculation from Jakob Agard. Solve with Sam, that is type of thing I was talking about. You get access to it completely for free. And of course, so much more. You can see those courses, they basically never end. And what's great, it's available for different levels. Now, I really want to talk about it because it seems like the key point for me. What is the level the Academy is for? I would say, like, for me, it's an incredible place to be, even though I'm 2400, and you might say I have nothing else to learn. That's completely untrue. There are so many things I do wrong in chess, and of course I want to get some progress. I want to improve my level. I want to become Grandmaster. That's my ultimate goal. And this place is a perfect one for me because I get access to so many lessons from top coaches, and this is a high quality training. But if you are around 1500 rating point, this academy also has an incredible amount of useful things for you to learn. If you are a complete beginner, I would not recommend you do it. Even if you are just starting, like making your first steps in chess, that is still not the best thing you can do. There are a lot of great things for your level, like let's say you're around 1000 ELO. For example, Journey to Grandmaster YouTube channel will be a perfect place for you to learn all of the fundamentals and of course to understand all of the general principles. This is essential and it's completely for free, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It means the world for me. Thank you very much. But if you are ready to take your chess into the next level, you are confident around 1500 ELO and above, then this is a perfect offer for you to consider, because for a small amount of money, you get an incredible amount of chess training. If you cannot afford a chess coach to work one-on-one with him, then this is the second best option you have. Actually, even if you have a chess coach, you can combine it with killer chess training, and believe me, you're gonna benefit so much from it. There are also incredible bonuses you get from time to time. For example, this summer, as a member of the Academy, I got a one-day free camp with Boris Gelfand himself. It's like a living legend. He has written one of the best chess books ever written, and
be possible move. But I think white allows white to play e4. We don't need to calculate bishop h7, because if you play e4, the point is, if we consolidate here, white's advantage is indisputable. So no need to look at some moves which, okay, we take a pawn and calculate lines.
We were learning with him once again, sending him our variations, discussing with him some chess questions. It was such an incredible experience. I mean, he was fighting for World Championship against Vishwanathan Anand, and he almost caught it there. Only the tie breaks, the rapid chess he has lost, but he is so incredible. And as a coach, it's like a dream you can have, dream that can come true. So far, my experience has been great. As you can see, I'm very excited to continue, and hopefully we are gonna see each other in the lessons inside of the Academy. Now, let's talk about the price and the final conclusion. With a yearly subscription, the Academy will cost you less than $2.50 per day. And if you are not ready for a yearly commitment yet, then you can try to take it for a month. That would cost you $150 per month, which is by itself an incredible price considering what you get for it. So they write here that it's roughly like $2 per class, which is absolutely insane if you consider the level of the coaches you get for it. But I would say it's even more because it's not considering all of the previous recordings then you can watch. Basically, the only difference is that you cannot ask your question, which is great. Of course, if you have an opportunity to go to the live classes, I definitely recommend you do it. You also feel a different type of commitment, because if you are watching the recordings, sometimes you are just, okay, I can stop it, or I can deflect myself, I don't know, check phone or something. But if you're live there and the coach is talking to you, you are just in a different mode, you are more focused, you have your task, and you're like, okay, let's do it, I'm in a real class. class, and this feeling is really amazing. You're like back to school, but the school that you can truly enjoy. So, my final thoughts. I have never seen anything like that before, and it's truly a hidden gem, because even myself, I was preparing actively for the interview with Jakob Agard, and I have never seen this website before, and I'm so thankful that he has shared it with me, because you get so much for so little. The only thing to consider is, of course, your current chess level. Because if it's below 1500 ELO, of course, you can still go for it, but chances are it's going to be really tough for you. If you're anywhere from 1500 ELO and going above, this is like the best place for you to be. What I like most about this academy is that it's not just one aspect that you can train, it's really about this comprehensive way of learning chess that I enjoy so much, and I can definitely recommend you do the same. Now, if you are really dive into opening theory, then that might be not the best place for you to go, because yes, they have some opening videos like the Karakan series, but it's not like you get all of the openings and all of the details. It's not the main point of the academy. It's about your general chess understanding, your general chess growth. If you want to become a member of the academy, the link would be in the description, and it's an affiliate link, so I'm gonna get a small percentage of your purchase. It's your way to support Journey to Grandmaster channel. I would really appreciate it. At the same time, you don't get absolutely any disadvantages, so don't be afraid of it. If you feel like you want to know more about chess improvement and about Jakob Agard and how great he is as a chess coach, then this video is perfect for you, because he's roasting my games, completely destroying it, and you can learn so much out of it.